How to fix swipe not loading new profiles on Tinder. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve if even when we're swiping, we're not being able to load new profiles. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If your swipe is not loading new profiles on Tinder, there could be a couple of reasons behind it. First of all, it is important to ensure that you have got a stable internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa. You can also try to log out of your Tinder account first of all. Open Tinder, come to your profile page, tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side, scroll down all the way down to the very bottom until you see the logout button. After you log out, try to re-log in. If you're using Tinder on Android, you can long press the Tinder app icon, which will show you the eye icon over there. Tap on the eye icon, which will take you to the app information page. From here, you can go to the storage tab, and from storage, you can clear the cache files and you can clear the data. After you've done that, go to your Play Store or your App Store, check if the Tinder app has an update. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. You also have to make sure that you have not run out of likes, because if you have run out of likes, you have to wait until the limit resets again. Hopefully this video helped you answer your question. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.